The Atlantic Provinces. The Atlantic Provinces are near the Atlantic Ocean. These provinces have fishing, farming, forestry, and mining. The weather has cool winters and cool wet summers. There are 4 Atlantic provinces: Newfoundland and Labrador, Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick. Newfoundland and Labrador. This is the most eastern part of Canada. It has its own time zone. People have always lived near the sea. The province is known for fishing, sea villages, and its culture. Today, oil and electricity from water are also important. Prince Edward Island. Prince Edward Island is the smallest province. It has red soil, farms, and beaches. People grow many potatoes. Prince Edward Island is the birthplace of Canada. It is connected to the mainland by a long bridge. The story Anne of Green Gables is set here. Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia has the most people in the Atlantic region. The Bay of Fundy has the highest tides in the world. The province is known for ships, fishing, and the port in Halifax. Halifax has Canada's biggest navy base. Nova Scotia has many festivals and a strong Celtic and Gaelic culture. New Brunswick. New Brunswick has big forests and the St. John River. People work in forestry, fishing, farming, mining, and tourism. St. John is the biggest city. Moncton and other places in New Brunswick have many French speakers. Fredericton is the capital.